Hi, welcome back to another video. I'm Tom and today we're going to make the creamiest Hasselback Dauphinoise potatoes. That is it. That is how you make the creamiest Dauphinoise Hasselback potatoes. Now if you've made it to the end of the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I release new recipe videos every single week and you don't want to miss them. I will see you in the next video. That is how you make the creamiest Dauphinoise Hasselback potatoes. And if you're new here, no, it doesn't